Hey there, Jeffrey here.
Hi, and I'm Brenda. Okay, Jeffrey, you know what I love?
What?
Self-care Sunday. I love it and I'm here for it. Throwing on a face mask, relaxing, lighting up some incense, ignoring your phone.
You already know, me too, but what about your hair? You have to start incorporating your hair into your self-care Sunday routine. It's like the cherry on your self-care Sunday.
Such a good idea.
Yeah, for sure. Some of you will be receiving in your Play by Sephora box this month the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. Before we tell you all about this product, Brenda, I think we should get self-care Sunday ready, yeah?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yes.
Definitely feel cozy now and ready to learn all about this product. Now, first things first, this product is one of my favorites for several reasons. It's formulated with clean ingredients, which is amazing. We love that. Second, it's a weekly intensive treatment, so it fits into your lifestyle really simply. You only have to do it once a week. And then last, it's great for all hair types. Anybody can benefit from using this product.
And let's also talk about why you guys should use this amazing product. Summer just ended. You spend all this time in the sun by the pool. The sun dries out your hair. The chlorine in the pool is very harsh on your hair. So this mask gives you that extra love and care that you need.
Exactly. So now let me tell you what it does. It does behave differently than your normal conditioner because this works in two ways. First thing is it's going to deposit good for you nutrients like algae and B vitamins into the hair follicle. Then it goes in and seals that cuticle with nourishing oils like rosehip and almond oil, giving you a beautiful shine and helping with repair and damage.
Now let's talk about how to use it for your hair type. For oily hair, you want to apply just a bit at the tip of your hair, and for dry hair, you want to apply from root to tip and leave it in longer. But for extra damaged hair, I recommend using it more times a week or even every single time you condition.
Since it's Self-Care Sunday and we're taking a little bit more time to luxuriate in our routine, I think we can share with them some tips and tricks to take their masking to the next level. So first things first is I love to mix in some aromatherapy or essential oils while I'm using my hair mask because it just makes it smell even better and makes it like a spa experience.
I love that because I love applying it to my scalp and just massaging it in. It feels so good.
Now for those of you out there that need a little bit of extra repair, you can always blast this mask with a little bit of heat. What I love to do is wear a shower cap and use my blow dryer as it's sitting. That causes the hair follicle to open up, the ingredients can penetrate deeper, and it plumps up the hair, giving you a wonderful shine. Okay everyone, we've shared with you tons of tips and tricks on how to make your self-care Sunday a little bit more soothing.
Now all you guys have to decide is what show you want to binge watch.
And Brenda and I are going to get a little bit more cozy. We'll see you next time.
Bye!